Yo, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to clean the monitor today. You want to get your little your Windex monitor cleaner, spray on that microfiber cloth. Look at that. Poundland. Get it nice and damp. You don't want too much on there because you might harm the monitor. And you want to, get your hand. You want to turn it off, of course you want to turn it off. You see all the little bits. Nice swift motions. See, it's getting really wet. Up and down all around. You want to get all the cracks, corners, Get your fingernail in there, it's real good, I did that on the back of the Alright, that's it now. There you go, and that's how you clean your monitor. Peace out.